Again, the journey started with product, and product has brought us loyalty. Product has definitely brought us loyalty and has brought us advocacy also. In a country where we are looking at young people, yeah, where the demographics are definitely very, very young. You are looking at guys who are less than 25, less than 30, are nearly 60% of the total population and all of that. Our focal point is a 30 plus audience. A guy who is mature, who is sophisticated. So the nuances change, the requirements of the customer change. The need to seek attention necessarily does not remain so important, but something other comes in as important. What comes as important is the discerning taste of the consumer takes a precedence for us in a bigger way. So if I look at it, we have great customers who engage with us. There are customers who write to us expecting nothing in return, in terms of there is not an email which is coming and expecting a discount or a complaint or something. It's more like you're concerned about the client and you're putting water into it because you want to see the brand grow. Nothing. You're not even concerned about the fruits coming from the plant, something like that. But that's the kind of bonding that we have seen. So we have been fortunate. This brand has been fortunate to have advocacy happening. The question was about advocacy, and I have been humbled many a times meeting customers, and when you talk to the customer, the tonation of the customer, the passion with which the customer is talking to you, it comes very clearly with a feeling that, you know, the language, and in fact they come very candidly so, that I feel I am working for him only. And their tone is like that. Why are you doing this? This is my brand. Why are you doing this? So it's that kind of ownership in the customer, which is rare. I have not experienced in the past, which is rare. And how do we keep on building? That is a journey where we are again being very cautious, because it's not something impromptu which will help us do it. So we are going on softer nuances. The experience part of it is where we are spending time. We are engaging more often with the customers. But in our case, it becomes too pivotal to keep on closing the loop. So just a few days back, interestingly, in our office, we were chatting up over a cup of coffee, and the conversation was around that, you know, what is today consumer service all about? So squeaking joint gets the grease. Yeah, who cries out loud is the guy who is going to get some service, maybe in all probability. But in our case, we are keen to invest time into guys who are not even squeaking. And that's where it is, because yes, all of us in this room are definitely aware the cost of acquiring a new customer versus nurturing an existing customer. And that's the philosophy on which ColorPlus is based. And nurture the customers. You may let customers flirt around, experiment with brands in their early part of life, but once you are into ColorPlus, they linger on for a while, because it's got a taste which connects with people. That's the point I would say. Thank you.